Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm opening my 4th CauseBox, so stay tuned to see what's in it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content, and hit the like button for this video if you want to see more content like it. Okay, so the 4th CauseBox came in the mail, and my dogs are back here nesting, so if you see them, look at how adorable they are. Isn't she cute? So here's our old girl. Here's our original girl, and then there's the baby back there. Yes, I know. Okay, so I'm opening this box. Let's just see what's right in it. And before I do, there's my bag of the day. I'm carrying the Empreinte Speedy Bandolier 25, and it is just so gorgeous. So I thought I'd let it make its I won't call it a debut, but let it have its moment in the camera. So CauseBox is so cool because it's fairly ethically and sustainably made goods. So let me just read you what CauseBox says. It says, every product that we include in CauseBox is made ethically and sustainably, and in addition to the increased artisan activity and work that we create through our artisan partners, we are focused on raising awareness for causes and charitable concerns each season. So it is ethically, fairly, sustainably made goods, and it helps small artisans. So each quarter, I believe, is when they come out. So they do a spring, summer, fall, and winter box. If you pay for the year up front, you get to choose some of the items in your box. The cool thing about it is they ask me what I want. You have this or this, this or this. And I choose, and then I forget what I choose. So I try to always put picture, like maybe here, of what the other choices were that you had choices between. I'm trying to find where that is. So there's a tab that actually says customize my box, and yep, so I don't want to look anymore because I don't want to see what it is. Let's open this baby up. So when you open it up, I'm going to try and do this without dropping anything. The box is actually created by an artisan as well, and it has inside of it this booklet that tells you all about the things that are in it. Usually, like, this is a postcard that was created. I believe it goes with the box, like it kind of matches it. And then if you want to win a free annual CauseBox membership and $500 to add on market, here's how. So they always have something going on, and then it's always nicely wrapped. And this is a sticker that also matches the box and everything. So let's open this up. First thing out of the gate is this Canvas Market Tote from Feed Projects. I actually did get to choose what color I wanted. It was between these colors, which I think is so cute. So it's like this little canvas tote bag. It's between this, a gray color, and like a blue color. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get pictures of the other ones, but if I can, I will put them right over here. But I just like that this was kind of multicolored. Looks like on the inside it has all kinds of pockets. Oh gosh, it's really lightweight fabric, but it has all kinds of pockets. There's a pocket here on the side, a pocket here on the side. It looks like a zipped pocket that is kind of separated right there. And then on this side, there is a big slip pocket. I hope you can see that. I actually really, really love those colors that came in. So that's the first thing in there. The next thing is Diff Charitable Eyewear. So was this one that this was one that I got to choose from as well. So it was between a set of 4 upcycled napkins, a portable charger, or these blue light glasses. I already have blue light glasses. I don't use upcycled napkins. I don't use cloth napkins. And I've already got a portable charger. So I went with the blue light glasses because while I already have some, I feel like I can always use more, so I can have a pair downstairs, a pair upstairs. So those are them. It's kind of nerdy, but I like them. I think they're cute. They're really big. Anyway, they're just a tortoise shell looking glass, blue light glass, and I will probably keep these up here because I think I already have a pair downstairs. Let's see. Stress Check Sleep Spray. Fast-acting vegan sleep spray with lavender and chamomile essential oils. So it's just something that you spray on your pillow at night to help you sleep. That was not one of the choices. So that was just one of the things that came in the box. And then let's go go with the easiest things first. Vanilla lip exfoliator and buttercream hydrating lip mask. So this is one of those things. Let me show you what that is. It's by Three Ships lip treatment kit. And I thought, you know what, that would be fun to do. My sister gave me something kind of similar for Christmas a couple years ago, and I really liked it. It wasn't by this brand, but there's a scrub there for your lips, and then there is a buttercream hydrating lip mask. Oh, it smells really good, and it looks like it kind of reminds me of like a Vaseline look. And then next up in here, Power Couple Nail Care Duo. This was one of those things that I got to choose. I think so this is, the lip treatment was something I got to choose, and then this was something I got to choose. And if you guys have ever seen my nails, they're always kind of a mess and my cuticles because of the work I do, so my hands are always in water. So this has, let's see, Nail Growth Optimizer and Flower Cuticle Oil. So this is the oil, and this is the nail growth serum, I guess. Optimizer. It came in a cute little box like this, and I got like little duos of everything this time. And then last but not least are the Stretch and Exercise Bands, pack of 3. They are latex free, so if you're allergic to latex, these might be your jam. So let's pull those out and see. Oh, they're little. They're really thin. They're like really tiny. I didn't know they were going to be this small. That's kind of funny. Strengthen and tone legs, hips, back, arms, glutes, and more. Actually, it says gluts and more. I'm not kidding. I'll try to take a picture of it and put it here. Ideal for stretching muscles, Pilates, yoga, gyms, balance and resistance training. Great physical therapy tool for muscular rehabilitation and improving mobility. Minimizes pressure on joints when compared to weight-bearing exercises. Travel exercise companion. Blah, 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 blah. So these little stretch bands. Now I purchased stretch bands on Amazon in January, February. So I didn't really need stretch bands, but I thought those would be good to have to test them out. They're a different type of material, so I thought I'd give that a go. And that is it. That's it for this box. Okay. So I told you with this tote bag that there were a couple other colors to choose from. I actually have my computer right here, so I'm just looking here. It was the blue or the gray that you could choose from. And then with these glasses, it was a choice between those, napkins, and a portable charger, which funny enough, my portable charger just stopped working. So I actually I did order a portable charger from here. It just hasn't come yet. I'm assuming it's coming like USPS. I think I got a separate email from it or about it. For these bands, which I kind of wish I would have chose something else, but the choices were a collapsible 16-ounce cup or a tech organizer roll, which I wish I would have gone with the tech organizer roll because that would have been really nice to have like in my purse. And then with these, it was between the Power Couple Nail Care Duo or the French Pink Clay Cognac Sponge, which I did get one of these sponges. Sponges, it reminds me of Elaine from Seinfeld. Is he sponge worthy? But I got one of these sponges back in one of my other boxes and I actually really love it. But I'm happy to try something new. I can always get one of those sponges on probably like Amazon or, you know, anywhere that you can buy body care. And then for the lip treatment, 3 Ships lip treatments. It was between this, illuminating setting spray and regenerating exfoliator and resurfacing mask. And I didn't really care about that. So the only thing that I didn't get to choose in this one, I believe, was this stress spray. So I'll take this downstairs and have it sprayed on my pillow at night and let you guys know if it works at some point. I can also tell you, if I haven't already put the prices and stuff in here, because usually, yeah, when you get to choose, I don't know that they tell you the prices, the different prices between what you're choosing from. I can't remember. But the Market Totes, wow, have a $108 value, and you got to choose from one of 3 colors. So $100 tote right here I mean, it's cute. That'll be really cute for like beach bag. Oh, this is cool. It says it provides 3 meals feeding mouths, minds, and hope since 2007. Okay, that's really cool. That's cool. So that actually provides meals for somebody. Then it was, let's see, the upcycle napkins had a $38 value. The portable charger has a $50 value. And then these are $85 value, which I guess I chose the most expensive thing, you know? The stress spray is $25. The tech organizer roll was $35. The collapsible cup, so these 3 things that you got to choose from are tech organizer roll, $35, the collapsible cup for $20, and the pack of exercise bands for $24.95. So yeah, I wish I would have gone with the tech organizer roll, but maybe they'll have that in the next market, and I could pick one of those up. Bless you. Let's see, the fifth choice, bless you. The 5th choice was between the illuminating setting spray, the exfoliator and resurfacing mask, and the 3 Ships lip treatment. And I got the treatment, that was a $30 value. The other one was $36 for the mask and $24 for the spray. Number 6 was this nail care duo. Oh, so I guess I didn't get to choose that one? I thought I did. Yeah, I did. That's weird. It doesn't list. Okay, so that's weird. I don't see that it lists the sponge thing, but these nail polishes were $36 for the duo, and that's really odd. It doesn't show how much that sponge was, but that's okay. So that is the CauseBox. The what was this? The Spring 2021 CauseBox. So I guess I would say my favorite thing in this was this so far, and I really, really like this bag. The colors are so pretty. The rest of it, I'll just have to try and let you know. So anyway, thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Daisy says thank you. She really appreciates it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future content, and we will talk to you later. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. My 4th CauseBox came in the mail. What are you sniffing? So stay tuned if you want to see what I got this. So you can see what's in it and see. Here, sweetie. All right, go play. First thing out of the gate